In this video, I'm going to show you how to set Google Chrome as the default browser on your computer using two methods. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. Click on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. In the left side menu, click on Default Browser. You can see there is an option named Make Default. This means your default browser is not Google Chrome. Click on Make Default. In the top dialog box, click on Set Default. You can see that the linked types in this menu have changed. Change the rest of the unchanged link types to Google Chrome. Let's close the settings window. You can see that Google Chrome is now my default browser. Now let's see the second method. In the Windows search bar, search for Settings. Click on Settings. In the left side menu, click on Apps. Click on Default Apps. Scroll down. Click on Google Chrome. Click on Set Default. Change the link types just like before. Now if I open Google Chrome, click on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner. Click on Settings. Click on Default Browser. You can see that Google Chrome is my default browser.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.